So this summer we redid our front yard, and where my graveyard went is now all moundy. Looks amazing, but I don't think you're going to be able to see my tombstones. So we're trying to come up with a prototype. Found these cutting boards and some lights. And we're just trying to figure out how bright to make the lights. Another piece of this project is installing a Raspberry Pi mini computer, which will control the NeoPixel LED lights, and that will either make them dimmer or brighter, and you can change colors or turn them off.
If you remember in our last clip, we were experimenting with how to light these tombstones. We had these plastic tracks with the LED light strips that we were inserting into the track, but it was backwashing the entire tombstone out. So now we're going to play around with some 2x4s to see what that does, to see if it's going to be directly on the tombstone or if it's still going to need some tweaking somehow. We're going to drill into the 2x4 and then put the light strips in there, paint them black, and hopefully that'll take care of the backwash. We also are going to have to drill some of the attachments to attach the tombstone to the cutting board that we've bought. So we took this cutting board and I'm cutting it up into strips here, and then once I get the strips cut, I'm going to drill holes into them, and then we found this tent pole that we're going to use to attach it to the cutting board.
We've got the brackets all painted. We got a few pre-cut because I have probably 4 tombstones and 3 ghosties that I want to light up as a graveyard in my front yard for Halloween. So this took a little bit. The 2-part epoxy was a little bit tricky, but it should be pretty good. All of my wires all set up, ready to go. So 8 more of these. So we got these mounted and the lights are going. Still testing it out a little bit. That's candle flickering. And then this is just plain red. We're hoping to have it on a loop of a pattern of some sort. Like with red to the candle to thunderstorm. We'll see.